Hello, my name is Jasim. This is Lab 9. It is a register bank and a shift register. But for this part, which is part 1, we're only going to demonstrate a register bank. Part 2, which is the shift register, will be in a separate video. Today is the 3rd of April, and the time right now is around 3:20 p.m. Input and output for this circuit are as follows. We have switches 0 to 3 as our binary inputs that we will bank in the register or save or load in the register. We have switches 6 and 7 as the out register, and we have switches 8 and 9 as the in register. The out register will read whatever is in the register, and the in part will load into the register whatever input we have. We have the clock button here, key 0, and we have the reset button here, which is the clear. Also, somewhere in the circuit, there's an automatic clock that will run around every 0.01 nanoseconds. There is also the outputs here, which are the binary outputs for the numbers that we're going to shift, and then there's also the hexadecimal 7-segment displays, which will represent the number that we register or bank in decimal form. To start off, I will load 1 into register 1, and then we'll read from register 1, which should show 1. So we will have 1 here as is shown in binary and hexadecimal, the 7-segment displays, and then from here we'll have the first register shown here. We press clock, reset the switches, and then go to the out switches and select the first register. As you can see, 1 is shown in both binary and decimal form. Next, I will load register number 2 into register 2 and then also show it. So we're going to have 2 here in binary and in decimal shown, and then we're going to select register 2 from the ins. We're going to press clock and then reset the switches. Go to the out switch, select the second register, and 2 is shown. Now we will load the number 3 into the third register, and we'll also show it from the third register when we output it. So we load 3 into the third register, as shown by 0011 when you put it in 4-bit binary. Press clock, reset the switches, and then select the third register from the switches below here. And as you can see, it shows 3 both in decimal and binary form. Finally, we will load whatever is in register 1 into register 3, and then show register 3 to show their new output or their new banked number. So we're going to select register 3 from the in and register 1 from the out. We press clock, reset the switches, and then from the out select the third register. Now it shows 1 as opposed to 3 from the previous inputs. That means the data from register 1 has now been loaded into register 3.